So sarcomas, they are a rare type of cancers which usually initiates in the bone or connective tissues such as fats, muscles, cartilages, blood vessels or nerves. Unlike common type of cancers such as breast, lung cancer or colon cancer that can originate in the lining of the organs, sarcomas can originate anywhere in the body. And the other challenging part is that sarcomas have several subtypes, and each subtype requires its specialized diagnosis and treatment strategy. So the biggest warning sign for sarcoma is the lumps or swelling that is constantly going, even if it is painless. And in most of the cases, what happens is that those lumps and swelling, they collide with the symptoms of any other disease. So the biggest warning sign for sarcomas are the lumps or the swelling that is constantly growing. If any person, they have a lump or a swelling that is constantly growing, even if it is painful, they should immediately go to the physician and get it checked. One of the limitations is that such symptoms, they are usually misdiagnosed or late diagnosed because they collide with other types of, or other symptoms of the other diseases. So the best strategy is, even if you have painless lump or swelling or some connective tissue or bone tissue pain, you should immediately go to the doctor. When it comes to sarcoma, the biggest challenge is their symptoms and warning signs. The early warning sign of sarcoma is the swelling or the lump, and often cases these symptoms, they are misdiagnosed with some sports injury or any other disease symptom, and physicians oftentimes misdiagnose this. The another biggest challenge is the sarcomas are very rare and it has several subtypes, and each subtype requires specialized diagnostic and treatment strategy, because of which its diagnosis, its treatment becomes quite challenging for the healthcare. When it comes to preclinical and clinical studies, they are both extremely important, not only for sarcoma but any type of disease, because in preclinical studies we understand the science behind the disease, and when you understand the science behind the disease, it is far easier to develop the most effective and safe clinical and treatment strategy. Likewise, when it comes to clinical studies for sarcoma, since sarcoma is extremely rare, it is important that the clinical trials, they are multicentric, and protocol, they include biomarker stratification as well as they are patient-centric. Sarcoma is a rare cancer. Including in Pakistan, its occurrence is rare. So it means that CROs have a very important and challenging role in that disease, because what they are doing is they are help connecting sponsors of pharmaceutical companies who's developing the treatment for sarcoma to the sites which has the high prevalence for sarcoma patients. So CROs, they are playing a very sensitive role in connecting sponsors and pharmaceutical companies with the sites that have the patient population there. Likewise, CROs, they also have a role in advancing the science behind the disease as well as the treatment and diagnostic strategies.